Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series because I believe that people needed to be provided with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under it. Today, I want to talk to you about medical treatment in your workers' compensation case, and specifically, what happens when your workers' compensation doctor won't listen to you. Now, unfortunately, I hear this complaint a lot from people that I represent in workers' compensation cases. They're talking to their doctors about the problems that they have, the pain they have from their injury, their inability to do things now, and they feel like their doctors are not listening to them. So what can you do about that? Well, the first thing to understand is, in a workers' compensation case, you have an authorized treating physician who's your main workers' compensation doctor, and you may also be referred out to a specialist by your authorized treating physician. But your authorized treating physician in your workers' compensation case has a lot of power. That's the doctor that's making decisions about your medical treatment. If your authorized treating physician is not referring you out to specialists or ordering treatment and testing you need for your injury, you're not going to get that treatment because the insurance company is only required to pay for the treatment that's ordered by authorized doctors in your workers' compensation case. So even if you need more treatment, you need your doctor to order it. If your doctor is not listening to you and ordering that treatment, you're not going to get it. Also, your authorized treating physician is making other decisions that affect your workers' compensation case. They're the person that's setting your work restrictions. They're determining what your permanent partial disability rating is. They're determining whether you can go back and work at a light-duty job or not. They're determining whether you can go back to work without restrictions. And all those decisions affect whether you continue to get weekly workers' compensation benefits. So it's very important that your authorized treating physician be a doctor that's listening to you. If the doctor is not listening to you, it's important to remember you do have rights to change your workers' compensation doctor. You have rights to change to a different doctor on the panel of physicians if your employer has a valid panel of physicians. If they don't have a valid panel of physicians, you may be able to change to any doctor you want to. Even if you've used that right to change in the past, you have rights to file motions with the State Board of Workers' Compensation to argue that your doctor should be changed, or to talk to the insurance company, your employer, and try to agree on a change of doctor. So if you've got a doctor who's not listening to you, I think it's important to find out what the best approach is to get to a doctor who will listen to you and give you the treatments you need. And probably the best thing to do is to reach out to a workers' compensation attorney and talk about the specific facts of your case and find out what options are available and what may be the best option for you. Now, if you'd like to set up a free consultation about your workers' compensation case, I'd be happy to do that. The best way that you can do that is either by reaching out to me through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting our free consultation request form, or by calling my office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If you have, please let me know that by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to find out or watch more videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, just visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. All the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series are available there. And you can also subscribe if you want to be notified of future videos as they come out. Thanks again for watching today, and I'd really like to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.